Hi. Okay, I did something last night that I haven't done in over a decade. It's been a long time. I can't say I'm proud of it. I can say I'm super proud. No. I did, I lined up for the Switch 2. The Nintendo Switch 2 release, midnight thing was last night. So I tried to do the pre order in April, I think, and didn't get one. So yesterday I'm like, I'll drive by GameStop, and it's EB Games now in Canada. They've rebranded back to their old name. And I'll go line up if the lineup's not crazy. So I went by at 11 p.m. and the lineup wasn't. It was like, ticket I got. It's in the photo. This is the lineup. That's where I was when I got there. Was it 46, I think, something like that. And I got a Nintendo 2 Switch. No, I got a Nintendo Switch 2. The bundle that has Mario Kart World. And this is the proof that I was there. And all I'm going to do in this video is unbox it. And this is going to be my first look at it. Like literally looking at it. I haven't really followed the stuff online about it too much because I like surprises. I had the original, well, I still have it. I have the OLED. Let's get this here. Let's get this here. Let's get this here. You can tell I do these unboxings a lot, right? Yeah, let's just open it up. First impressions, maybe power it on. And then, I don't know. I don't even know what channel I'm going to put this video on. Is this on my guitar channel? Is this on my tech channel? Is it on both at the same time? That might be something. Okay. Plug it in. Good point. Set it up. Okay. I already had it upside down. And there it is. I did watch the trailer, so I lied. The only thing I know about this is these are magnetic now versus the original, which are like metal kind of click in, snap in. So here it is. Oh, that's cool. I color coded the sides. That's the bottom, that's the top. So from what I saw in the video, you just go, yeah. And yeah, okay. Put you here for now. Let's see what else we get in the box. I'm always amazed by these packagings. Oh, here's the download code so everybody can get it. Scratch off for download code. HDMI cable. Certified. Bunch of little straps for the for those. I don't even know what they're called. The controller thingies. I like video games. If I haven't mentioned on my guitar channel, video games is my #2 hobby. Like I like video games a lot. Okay, that's so you put the Joy-Cons. That's the word I was looking for. A power brick, USB-C, and then this is going to be the docking station. It's all nicely packaged in there. Switch 2 docking station. Okay, like that. It's similar to the old one. You've got Ethernet, HDMI, USB-C. Okay, there we go. Let's power it on first time and see what we get. The music you're hearing is my son playing piano upstairs. Not this. What country are we in? We're going to do English. Americas. Of course I accept it. And don't set. We'll do that later. Where do I live? Oh, I saw it. They can't do. Oh yeah, it'll get the date once. Day. Oh, wait. You know what? I'm not even going to set that because it'll get that after. Okay, system transfer. So this is where I got to take my old one and connect it and do that, but I'm not going to do that in this video. Anyways, let's power it off. How much battery we got here? Hold down the power. I'm assuming that's how you turn it off. Okay, put it in standby. Anyways, there we go. First look. The screen is massive. The controls feel pretty cool. And if you want to see more about it, let me know. Leave a comment. All right, take care.